All right, hi, my name is Tony Savini. I'm a Philadelphia Region SCCA member from Southeast Pennsylvania. I guess we're here to talk about my bumper car. Kind of got an idea to build this thing maybe beginning of last year. My father had a mobility scooter that was ridiculously huge. He was very proud of it. And when he passed away, I was like, what do you do with that? How do you make a mobility scooter cool? Then I saw a person had a bumper car as a front porch seat on their front porch. And I'm like, wow, if you could combine those two things, that would be insane. That's how this crazy idea began. 50 hours of fabrication later, this is what we have. I was hoping it would get a great reaction at Nationals, and it's gotten a much larger reaction than I had anticipated. I'm really happy that everybody is enjoying it as much as I am. So just for perspective, this is a bumper car from it was a functional bumper car, a real bumper car that was in an amusement park in Western Pennsylvania from about 1968, 1970 until a few years ago. And I tried to retain as much of the original bumper car as possible. Most people will take the body of a bumper car and put it on the frame of something else. I wanted a bumper car with all the running gear of something else fabricated into it so it still looked exactly like an original bumper car. I didn't realize how hard that was until I started. There's no room in there for any of that stuff. So ultimately, it was just a matter of really looking at everything, figuring out how to package it. It is the entire drive line from a mobility scooter that was capable of carrying probably 600 or 700 pounds. Electric, 2 motors, 2 Group 24 batteries in there that power it. I estimate my range to be somewhere in the 15 to 20 mile range with what I have now. It has lights, it has flashers, it has turn signals. It's a little teeny tiny car that runs on it's a little Tesla. This thing had literally 2 runs. Oh, just back it up. So for perspective, this thing has had about 15 minutes of testing prior to being loaded on the trailer and being brought out to Nationals. Because like everybody else building something for Nationals, I finished it the day I left. And when I pulled it off the trailer, I had hoped that it would work, first of all, because it just bounced 1,200 miles down the road and a truck driver welded it together. And it did. And the reaction I've gotten has really been overwhelming. Everywhere I go, people are just, there's not a person that doesn't smile when they see it. And really, that's why I put it together. I was hoping it would bring back those memories of when you were a kid driving bumper cars. Everybody here is a car person, and probably the first thing they went to when they went to the fair was the go-karts or the bumper cars. And I built one that now you can drive home. That's what every kid wanted to do, right? There it is.
Support brands that support grassroots motorsports. Get your chemical solutions from CRC Industries. Visit crcindustries.com to learn more.